Coming up on Haynes Garage, do's and don'ts at the Junkyard. You can save big bucks finding good used parts. We'll walk you through the process. With Haynes Repair Manuals, you can do it. Haynes shows you how.
What's up, guys? It's John.
Hey guys, this is Mark.
And we're from the Haynes Garage, as you may know. And today we're actually on location at the Tri-County Auto Dismantlers here in Santa Paula, California, which is about 10-15 minutes away from our headquarters, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically what we're here to do is to show you exactly what you need to know if you needed to get a part for your vehicle and you didn't want to spend as much. You know,
Right.
One of the things that you may be thinking about is why not just get aftermarket parts, right?
Yeah.
They are a little cheaper, but you know, you don't know what the quality is, right? Because it didn't come from the manufacturer. Some of them are made overseas and you don't know where they're made from. But coming into a junkyard, you're gonna get that OEM part for
Absolutely.
your vehicle.
Right, for a fraction of the price as well.
Yeah,
so.
you could save anywhere from 30 to 60% on a
Yep.
part that you absolutely need, and you know the quality's there. And you can get a part that's, you know, in mint condition
Right.
from a junkyard, right? So this is why we're here, and we're gonna show you exactly why you would wanna come here. Mark, you've brought some tools, right?
Yes, sir.
What did you bring?
So I brought the essentials. And what are the essentials? So the essentials are going to be a basic mechanics tool set. Sockets, socket variety, wrenches, extensions, that sort of thing. Then also trusty tool bag about this size is going to fit the remaining essentials that you're going to want to bring as well, like basically electric impact, gloves, safety glasses, hammer, basically anything that you would use in a garage except say maybe like an angle grinder or something.
Yeah, you
Not
don't
gonna
want to
wanna
be,
bring that
you
in.
may not be able
Sawzall?
to just cut up the guys' vehicles here in the yard.
Yeah.
But what you can do is actually check a Haynes manual if you've got one, and you already know what part you're going to take out, right? So all you need to do is look in your manual, find the repair, and at the beginning of the chapter, there's specifics
even-
on what tools you need to bring, right?
Right.
Bring a little bit more. You know, you might need a breaker bar. You might
Yeah.
need some extra screwdrivers just in case one breaks. You never know. And definitely bring your safety gear. Eyewear, gloves. You don't want to get hurt. So why don't we go inside? We'll meet the owner and we'll talk to him a little bit, and he'll give us the rundown on what we can expect while we're here. We're here with John. I'm John. He's Mark. And why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? You know, what got you into actually doing this type of work, and how long has it been since you've done it?
Well, it's a family business that my dad started back in 1968, and he retired about 25 years ago, and I've been running it for about 33 years, really, before.
Wow, it's a long time.
Yeah.
So you've seen a lot of cars.
Yeah.
So where do you actually get the cars? I mean, do people just drop them off because they want to sell them, or?
Sometimes people do. Other times they break down at shops, and the shop will call us and want to get it out of there, so we'll send a flatbed over and pick it up. Or somebody will have a car broke down at their house they want to get rid of, or sometimes they'll have an accident and we'll buy it from the tow yard direct,
Okay.
or from the individual that got wrecked in the car. So we can buy it from them direct too, or we buy it from insurance companies or auto auctions.
Okay, right. So then I guess one thing that Mark and I had talked about was the fact that there's two different type of junkyards or auto part dismantlers. One's full service, which I believe you guys are.
Yep.
And then the one across the way is self-serve. You just go over there and do what you need to do, and you don't know what vehicle's in there. You just go in and see if it's there.
Yeah.
So what type of services, since you are full services, just so everybody knows, what kind of services are that?
So if the customer calls us on the phone and they're not too familiar with what kind of part fits or what years fit, we have a special program that helps us to understand what parts fit, what cars, what years. Interchange is what we call it. And it's through the Hollander system. And so we can look up everything. We also keep everything inventoried. So we inventory most of our parts on the computer, and it's online on our website. And so you can look it up from home on your computer, or you can call us and we can tell you if we have it or not, through that way. And since it's a full service yard, we also pull the parts for them, we deliver them. So if somebody has a motor that they need a used motor for, we can deliver it to the shop that their car is at for them, free of charge.
Oh wow,
if it's in a certain area.
Really easy.
Yeah.
Makes things a lot easier.
So a lot of customers call us and order something over the phone, and we'll just deliver it for them, or we'll ship it UPS to their house too.
So is there an extra fee that's attached when you guys do it versus like us? We're here, we're just going to go out there and pick a part out.
Yeah.
Is there an extra fee on top of that usually?
Not really. It really comes with the full service, but sometimes we'll give a discount if somebody comes out and they know what they're doing and they're willing to pull something and they bring their own tools.
Okay.
We'll walk them out there, make sure it's safe and that they can do it and that they're capable of it, and we'll let them do it, let them go at it. And then we'll give them a little discount, for doing that. It saves us some labor.
So what tools are not allowed in a junkyard?
No torches, no sawzall, that kind of thing.
No torches, no sawzalls.
Yeah.
Okay. So just basic tools if it's an easy job, and if it gets a little more difficult, you got to get into a harder area, then we can just ask you to help.
Yeah, we can help
Okay.
some. Yep.
All right. Well, I guess the other question, I called, I don't know, last week just to see if you guys had a Toyota 4Runner, because Mark actually has a Toyota 4Runner, a 91, right?
91, yeah.
And you said you had a 95, that
Yep.
we can take a look at some of the parts in there and see if we can pick
Sure.
something out.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, great. Why don't you guys show us out and show us the way?
Sure. Come on through.
Cool.
Come on through, guys. I'll show you where that 4Runner is.
Sounds great.
So here's the Toyota.
Nice, here it is. Takes me back.
Help yourself, look around, and if you guys need any help, just let me know.
All right,
All
sounds
right.
good.
No problem.
John,
Thanks
thank
a lot.
Talk to you.
All right, so we're here with this 1995 4Runner. We're gonna get a part out here that Mark needs for his 4Runner. Don't forget, wear some gloves, wear your eye protection just in case. You don't want things just flying in your face.
Yeah.
Always be safe.
Right.
So what we're gonna take out is the fan hub, right, Mark?
Yep.
And
So
why would we want to take that out?
Yeah, so the fan hub, as you can see, the fan here is in good condition. We're actually not after this. What we're after is the fan hub, because this car was in a front end collision. And
Your car?
My car,
Your 4Runner,
not this
yeah.
car. What we're after is the fan hub, because when the impact happened, it actually bent the hub. So we're gonna unbolt this. We're kind of rifle sighting it here. Looks pretty true. Nothing's waving. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking this apart and pull it off and show you how easy it could be.
All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it. All right, you ready? Somebody like streak this, I think. Awesome. Only all of them are that easy. But I feel like somebody took a crack at this and just thought like, oh.
Well, they did take that out. All right, we got it.
Oh yeah, here it is. Not that bad. It's a tiny bit of struggle, but
Yeah.
we were able to get it. All we really needed was, in this case, was a 12mm wrench, and then this guy here and an extra set of hands. So
Yeah.
sometimes, it's better to over-prepare, bring more tools, and then even if it doesn't end up taking that many, at least you're prepared, at least you have them, so you can accomplish more and get to more jobs. Now see, if there wasn't already a lot of parts being taken out here and missing, then we probably would have had to use more of those tools. But we got lucky with this one, right?
Right, and the one thing that we didn't bring, which we should have, was penetrating oil, WD-40, PB blaster, something like that, because a lot of times these vehicles are sitting out here for God knows how long, so you just need to spray some
Yeah.
on there just to get it, loose enough where you can take this stuff off. So
Yeah,
we've got it off. Why don't we just go up there and pay and get out of here?
that sounds good. I'm ready.
Sweet,
It's
let's
hot.
go.
Let's do it.
All right, John, we got this fan clutch here. Mark's old 4Runner, he had a little accident in the front, I guess.
Yeah.
But that was bent, so now that's the part we're looking for. So,
It's good as new.
is there anything that any other customer who comes to a junkyard or an auto dismantler like yours, do they need to know anything when they come up and pay?
Usually we take cash or credit card. That's about it.
Okay.
Perfect. All right.
Perfect, easy. Well, I'm not going to pay for your part, Mark, so that's all you.
Okay. Well, let's get her done.
All right. Glad that we had the part you guys needed.
Yeah,
Definitely.
This is $35 plus tax, so.
not too bad.
Yeah, better than a couple hundred.
I looked up the list price on that thing and, new from the dealer cost, OEM was like $246.
Wow, so.
Okay.
A big percentage.
Yeah, I mean, that's the reason why, we're trying to tell everybody exactly what they need to do, because, I mean, you can save a lot of money coming to a place like this. And
Yeah,
you don't have to worry
absolutely.
about that aftermarket quality. Some aftermarket parts are great, but sometimes you just don't know where it comes from.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's nice to get a good used OEM part.
Right.
So you know it's quality from the beginning. It might be used, but it's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So I've got one question for you, since we were out there just looking around.
Yeah.
How often do you crush cars? Because I see a crusher out there.
Yeah, we do crush. Sometimes we'll crush once a week. Sometimes we'll crush once every 4 or 5 months.
I see.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it really depends on getting rid of the cars. So we keep the cars around because, a lot of the parts are good still for years and they fit
Right.
a lot of years. But
Right.
when you've stripped it and it's pretty much apart, it's time to recycle it. So we'll recycle it and get money for the metal, and the metal will be made into a new car.
Cool.
Wow.
Great.
Sales are
set.
final. Perfect.
Cool. Thanks.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
All right,
you too.
see ya.
Take it easy,
You
John.
guys.
Yeah, great to meet you too. Of course. Thanks
Appreciate
for
you shopping at the wreck here in Tri-County here.
All
Yeah.
right, great. Let's go.
absolutely. Let's put it on.
All right, guys. So now you know what to do when you go to a junkyard. You're able to find the part that you need, and it's an OEM fit, so you know it's going to be right, and it's cheaper.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely. I think the retail was, what did he say, 250?
Like 250,
around there?
250 for this fan clutch, right? And we bought it for $40. So,
Yeah.
Mark, you'll be able to get that on your 4Runner. You'll
Yeah.
be good to go.
Good to go for the next 10 years, hopefully.
Yeah, and for the rest of you, just keep in mind that, coming to a full service place, you can always call the guys on a place like this. You can look up their website. They probably have a catalog with all the parts and vehicles that they have in the yard. If not, you can go to another one, which is a self-service yard. You'll be able to just walk in, probably pay for some things and pay for an entrance fee, and then you'll see if they have the part or not. So
Right.
don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Subscribe to our channel, and please leave a comment.
Yeah, we're receptive. Leave some comments and let us know what you think. Hope this helps you out. And it's really not that much effort to go to a junkyard and just spend a little bit of time, call ahead, and to get the part that you need. So,
All right, so we'll see you again on the next episode of the Haynes Garage.
yep, Haynes Garage, out of the garage, back to
right.
the garage.
Let's go.
Let's go.